Here's another legal deception. Brokers, advisors, financial institutions enabling costly investor behavior. So we all know the definition of an enabler, one who enables another to persist in self-destructive behavior. Here's an example of this. As long as you buy or sell something, they're happy.
We are here to try to explain to you what it is we do here.
We are commodities brokers, William. Now, what are commodities? Commodities are agricultural products, like coffee that you had for breakfast, wheat, which is used to make bread, pork bellies, which is used to make bacon, which you might find in a bacon and lettuce and tomato sandwich. And then there are other commodities like frozen orange juice and gold. Though, of course, gold doesn't grow on trees like oranges. Clear so far?
Yeah.
Good, William. Now, some of our clients are speculating that the price of gold will rise in the future, and we have other clients who are speculating that the price of gold is going to fall. They place their orders with us, and we buy or sell their gold for them.
Tell them the good part.
The good part, William, is that no matter whether our clients make money or lose money, Duke and Duke get the commissions.
Well, what do you think, Valentine?
Well, it sounds to me like you guys are a couple of bookies.
I told you he'd understand.
Yeah. Many don't care what you buy or sell, as long as you buy or sell something. Here's a typical enabler. This was a Lear Capital silver commercial that I got in September 2012. In 2012, the silver prices were going up a lot. So people were loading up on silver. And at that time, the iShares Silver Trust was $32.21. As of last week, it was down to $14.59. Was that over a 60% loss or something? So at that time, in 2012, when it was already high, the commercial was saying, "We believe silver is poised to hit new highs."
When you invest your hard-earned dollars, you're looking for a return on that investment, right? You want growth. So how does an average growth of 20% a year sound? And that's over the past decade. The precious metal with that kind of track record is silver. Worldwide demand for silver in everyday products is huge and continues to grow. That's why at Lear Capital, we believe silver is poised to hit new highs. Here's 3 reasons why. 90% of silver mined has already been consumed. Silver demand is expected to double by 2020, and physical silver is easy to buy and simple to sell. Now is the time to invest in silver.
Now's the time. And so the stock market's going down temporarily, silver's going up temporarily. You buy into this commercial. Do these guys have any clue where silver is going now or in the future? Here's the bait and switch scam too. All these gold and silver companies that you see on TV, you call in for the gold or silver bullion. That's easy to price. You can get the spot price of gold or silver any minute of any day on the internet, and you know exactly what you're going to pay, plus maybe a small commission to buy or sell it. But what they do when you call in is they switch you to the coins. The coins are harder to value. The coins are more profitable for them. Okay? A few of our clients got baited and switched to the coins. And here's a 2017 commercial. It's relentless. They never stop. This is "Experts love silver. I think silver is going to $200 an ounce."
Did you know that silver is considered one of the world's most useful commodities, second only to oil? You can't buy an oil field, but you can buy silver, the world's miracle metal. With endless uses in green energy, electronics, and medicine, discover why the experts say silver is the new oil.
Silver is actually my favorite investment, particularly at this price.
I think silver is going to $200 an ounce.
I love silver.
Yeah, I wonder how much those experts got paid to say those things. Yeah. And then here's the last 10 years of silver and the S&P 500, which is 500 large American stocks. For a little short period of time, you might have looked like a genius if you bought it here. What chances are you probably didn't buy it here. But if you bought it here, you kind of looked like a genius while the market was going down and silver was going up. But most people bought it up there when this was happening. But look at this, for 10 years, just nothing. And then the people that bought it here lost a ton of money. Whereas the market continues its upward climb. And there's a lot of reasons that we discuss in other classes why, you know, these companies, thousands of companies all around the world, consistently go up over time, even though they have their temporary downturns. Discount brokers are classic enablers. The E-Trades, Charles Schwab, Fidelity, Scottrade, Vanguard, and yes, TD Ameritrade. But Scott and I, we use TD Ameritrade. They don't use us. Anything you want to do with your money, they'll do it for you. If you want to trade in options, they'll do it for you. If you want to trade in risky futures, they'll do it for you. If you want to trade in penny stocks, they'll do it for you. If you want to load up on gold and silver, they'll do it for you. For a while, Brazil, Russia, India, and China were hot. People were just pouring all kinds of money. They were called the BRICS. You know, if you want to load up on just a few countries, they'll do it for you. If you want to borrow to buy more and do a margin account, they will do it for you. If you want to put all your money in one stock or two stocks or three stocks, they will be all happy to do it for you. It's important to have an advisor that will refuse to facilitate imprudence. Ultimately, it's your money. If you want to do some of these crazy things with your own money, you know, we can't stop you, but you won't do it through us.